Alright folks, it's crappie time. We about to get on this lake. You see it's dark down here. Got people out here running. We're gonna see what we can do pretty early. About 6 this morning. We're gonna be using the jig and bobber. I heard the crappie is on their nest. So we're gonna try to go out here and see what we can do this morning. Get back to you. Got the legends down here. Roy and Walker. They wearing them out on minnows, folks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What's up there, little daddy?
What's up, man? Hey boy, y'all boy coming out here doing y'all thing. What's up, man?
All right, what's going on, bro?
All right.
I'm over there trying to keep up with this man right here.
Yeah, I seen your stringer out there.
Oh yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
That was about 6 or 7 years ago. You got 10 on there now.
Yeah. Down with these legends.
Hey, in the early in the morning, you got to use that one rod, man. You trying to turn his head and pop it down. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
I just felt a drop of rain.
Oh man, don't tell me that.
Yeah, my fucking rain goes in the truck.
I got one in there somewhere. We trying to find them.
Yeah, I saw that. So, did you tie those jigs yourself?
No, I didn't. Oh, did you send? Let me show it to you. No, I didn't tie. I sent you a thing. That was
some morning you sent that.
Yeah, somebody see this kind I've been using.
Ooh, that look like a killer, that boy.
I caught him on yesterday.
Oh yeah, I like that. See like this here?
Yeah.
Boy, you got no more like that?
Yeah, I only got a couple of them.
Okay, I don't want to take you out. I need one of that for a little Conroe, boy.
Oh.
Like that long tail.
That what they hit them on over at Conroe?
Well, they hit them on hand ties and the feather jigs, the green chartreuse.
Yeah.
One year I went to a Bass Brook, and all I saw was just the feather tail, something like that. Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
I told you I do it. Yeah, good for something.
Oh man.
I brought him some damn luck, huh?
Yeah, you brought me some luck.
Well, he's got to leave that dribble on that night. Good to see y'all, Jay.
All right, boy. Slabs. Slabs, folks. Look at that. Slabs. Working that jig and bobber right there, folks. You can have him. I don't want him. He gotta be 10 pounds. Bobber out there, folks. And down that bank. Them boys is fishing all the way down that bank, people. Oh, he got that bass you just threw. Look at this joker done stole it back.
Yeah.
That joker got a big old bass in his mouth.
That's the same bass I believe I just hooked.
He got him too. That joker swallowed him whole. Good Lord.
I was trying to tell you, them cameras, they run this shit. They run them, you know what I mean? That's
Yeah.
But if you got them coming in on you, you know where they're coming in for a reason, because they know it's bait there. That's one thing about that braid, man.
Yeah.
Pull down to the pool, you know. If you're trying to cast something real right, you just got to pull the line out to the pool.
I told you. Huh? Oh, he must have done catch him somewhere else. He went down there. He must just, he didn't catch him right there. He caught him that damn fast. Nah, he ain't gonna scare him away. Get him, get him. Another slab. It's called Minnows vs. Jigs. Switched up to a regular bobber, folks. With a hair jig, a new hair jig from Thumper. Let's see what we can do with it. Let that bobber set out there. Work it a little bit. Been catching some big crappie doing this all week. Let's see if we get some this morning. Go back out there again, folks. There you go, folks. There you go, folks. See that bobber going? It's a big one too, folks. Big crappie. Big crappie. Me 13 inch. Stump thumper. See that lure, folks? Get you some of them, stump thumper. Just a 10-gallon bucket. Look at that crappie. He's biggin'.